Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI for SAP Business One. In this scenario, we'll see how SAP Copilot, the digital assistant, simplifies the process of creating a purchase request. The user begins by instructing Copilot to create a new purchase request. Copilot instantly opens the purchase request form and guides the user step by step. The user first selects the requester or buyer, followed by the due date. Copilot opens the item matrix for product code selection. The system automatically fills in the item description. The user specifies the requested quantity, price, discount percent, and adds any necessary remarks or additional lines if required. Copilot validates all mandatory fields in real time, and the user submits the purchase request by clicking Add. Copilot confirms the purchase request in SAP Business One with speed and accuracy. This demonstrates the power of Agentic AI, making the procurement process faster, smarter, and fully guided inside SAP Business One. Thank you for watching this demonstration of purchase request creation using SAP Copilot.